Hi, in this video I'll be showing you how to set up and use the Nectar Pollen Press, as well as covering a few details specific to this product. The Pollen Press is a rosin press machine that is not only for the extraction of rosin, but also for pressing flowers, essential oils and more. The Nectar Pollen Press features a 1-ton compression force, full temperature control and an incredible 25% yield. Now let's get into this video by starting off with an unboxing. Okay guys, so I'm gonna get into this unboxing now, but before I do, let me just let you guys know that if you receive your package from us and the cardboard box looks a little bit worse for wear, don't worry about it, because inside we have this amazing protective packaging that will withstand lots of knocks and bumps. Not that you should do that, but just in case your box doesn't look too good, don't worry, everything inside is pristine, it is in perfect condition, as it is very well protected. And while I am unboxing this, I also want to let you guys know that we have a 2-year warranty that comes with every single machine that you purchase from us, and we also offer 24/7 lifetime support. So if you ever want to ask a question or you need a little bit of help, just shoot us a message on WhatsApp and we will get back to you as soon as we can. Okay, so in your pollen press package you get this spanner tool that will help adjust the bolt on your machine. You also get 2 rosin scraper tools, which are really great. These are metals, so they will last you a lifetime as long as you keep them clean. Then you get 50 parchment papers, so you're pretty much ready to start off straight away as long as you've got all of your herbs or whatever you're pressing. And you get this incredible extensive user manual that has lots of tips and tricks on how to get the best possible yield from whatever you are pressing. And there's just lots of things in here, so definitely give this a read. And you also get 2 nice rosin containers in the nectar color, which is really lovely. And then last but not least, you get your AC power cord. And of course, your rosin press. Let's see if I can lift it out. There you go, and here's your rosin press in a nice little package, so you know it's new and clean. So yeah, let's check out how we set this thing up. So we want to carefully lift the Nectar Pollen Press out of the box and onto a large, sturdy, flat surface. Now let's connect the power cable to the press and then plug that into a socket. And that is about all the assembling that this product needs. It is super straightforward and easy to use. The pollen press features adjustable 5 cm by 7.5 cm dual heating plates, as well as a dust cover for the plates, an LCD controller which entails temperature and time functions, including an alarm timer to ensure a quality press. You can also adjust the bolt above the plates if you need to for higher or lower amounts of material, which I will actually show you in a moment. Okay guys, so as you can see, here is the pollen press with the lever pressed down as far as it can go. Now let's say you want to press a lot more than this and it's just not good enough, or you do less, or whatever the situation, you need the top plate to be higher or lower. Obviously it can't go lower than this, but if you need it higher, all you have to do is get your handy tool that comes with your pollen press and twist it anti-clockwise. And as you can see, this has made a gap that before it was fully tightened. So using your handy tool, you can definitely pull this plate higher or lower, however necessary, and press. The pollen press is one of the lightest press machines on the market, weighing only 6.5 kilograms, which makes it easily portable, especially with its super easy to use portable handle. You can bring this impressive piece of machinery with you anywhere. It has 220 watts of power and is able to exert 1 ton of compression force onto your chosen material. Before you start pressing, you should prepare the materials that you will be pressing. There are tips on how to best prepare your material for the optimal yield and quality in the user manual. Once that's done, start off by removing the plate shield, flip the on switch, which is on the back, and the control panel should light up. Next, lift the press lever up to open the plates. Now I'm not going to open it all the way just for this video so that you guys can see the control panel clearly, but to open it all the way, you go all the way back there. So we now want to set the control panel up. So to do this, press the set button to go to the temperature settings mode for the top plate. So that's this middle button here. And now you press the up or down buttons to select your desired temperature. The Nectar Pollen Press has a temperature range of 0 to 150 degrees, and you can feel free to check our user manual for our top tips on the optimal pressing temperature. So choose your desired temperature, go to here, and then press the set button again to go to the temperature setting mode for the bottom plate, and again press the up or down arrows to choose whichever temperature you may want. We will press the set button another time now to go into the timer settings mode, which is in seconds. So press up and down until you reach your desired time, and then press the set button again to go to the temperature scale mode, which is where you can press up or down to select either Fahrenheit or Celsius. So at the moment it's in Fahrenheit, so I'm going to press down and it takes us to Celsius. So once you've decided on whether you want Celsius or Fahrenheit, you want to press the set button one time to record all control panel settings. The plates will now start heating up, and the heating icon should now be displayed on the screen, as you can see here. So you can see two separate ones, one for the upper plate and one for the lower plate. You want to wait until the plates reach your desired temperature, and you will know when they have done so, as the heating icon will turn off. Okay, so as you can see, the heating icon has actually gone on both of them. It keeps flickering back and forth because it's just trying to maintain the temperature, but it is fully heated. So now what you want to do is you want to carefully place the prepared material in the center of the bottom plate. Then lower the press lever until it clicks into place, which it has just done. So I will now let go of the lever, and the pressure applied will be maintained. Also, when I say when it clicks into place, it's just as far as it can go. It cannot go any further. So what you want to do now is press the red timer button on the control panel, and it will start showing a countdown here. So now all we have to do is wait. Once the countdown has ended, the Nectar Pollen Press will start beeping. So when that happens, we're just going to press the timer button again to turn off the timer and stop the alarm. Now this is a really cool feature, as it ensures that you get the best result possible. You can do it for the exact precise second. And it's also really amazing that you can set each plate to different temperatures, as I have done here. So as you just heard, the beeper timer went off, so I just pressed the red button again. So now what you want to do is lift the lever up to release the press, and carefully remove the press material using a tool or heat resistant gloves. Now please be really careful, as these plates will be extremely hot right now, as they'll be whatever the temperature is that you set them to. And also remember guys, that you have these really great tools that are included in your package, so definitely put these to use as well. You can now turn the machine off by flipping the switch on the back and unplug it. Now be sure to wait until the plates cool down completely before putting the shield back on, cleaning, or putting the press away. Before we wrap this video up, here are some tips that we thought you might like to know. The Nectar Pollen Press is ideal for pressing up to 3.5 grams of material at one time. Therefore, if you want to press more than that, then you may be better off with one of our bigger presses like the Nectar Pollen Puncher, Nectar Pollen Smasher, or the Nectar Pollen Crusher, which all have bigger plates and much larger compressive forces. We recommend that you don't use filter bags while using the Nectar Pollen Press, as they are only suitable for more than 3.5 grams. Otherwise, you may end up wasting material in the filter and significantly reducing your yield. You can adjust the positioning of the bottom plate by simply unscrewing these two screws here underneath. We do have another video where we go into more detail on this, so definitely check that out if you ever need to readjust the base plate. Also, we do suggest for the best yield results possible that you use a pre-press mold to form your pucks before pressing. We have our own Nectar pre-press molds which you can get, so definitely check those out on our website, which will be linked below. If you would like to shorten the lever, you can do so by loosening this bolt here. However, I did show you guys how to do that earlier in this video, so if you need to do that, then just skip back to earlier in the video before I showed you how to use it, and there you go. And if you need any assistance, please feel free to message our WhatsApp. We hope that this video helped you out and that you enjoy your Nectar Pollen Press. Thank you guys so much for watching and have a great day. Also, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also hit that bell button if you'd like to be notified when we drop our next video. Bye!